Now let us see the compounds of calcium. The first in the list is your quicklime, or called calcium oxide. Remember, it's called quicklime. It is prepared by heating calcium carbonate at around 1000 degrees Celsius, where it gets decomposed to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide is removed as quickly as possible so that the reversibility of the reaction is stopped. Now, what is most important? It's a white colored amorphous solid. Its melting point is 2870 Kelvin. That's very high. That is why it is being used as a refractory material also. Now, again, it combines with being basic in nature. Acidic oxides like carbon dioxide forms quicklime again. When mixed with water, it forms lumps of lime. That's why it's called slacked lime. It leads to the formation of slacked lime. That is why the calcium hydroxide formed is called slacked lime. Since being basic in nature, it combines with acidic oxide. We can have other examples also, like it combines with silicon dioxide, we know that, and forms calcium silicate. The same thing is being used in the blast furnace to remove the acidic impurities or gang particles, silicon dioxide. And it can also combine with phosphorus tetra P4O10, which is the dimer of phosphorus pentoxide, and leads to the formation of calcium phosphate. So these are its reactions. It is used in the preparation of cement. It is used in the purification of sugar and in some dye stuffs. Also, it is used in Solvay's process and the preparation of sodium carbonate.